Hello there, Samurai. It's DavinchyFX. Let's get straight into it. So I came into the markets as of yesterday, and EURUSD was bearish, which I had this point of interest marked. So I was getting retracements as of yesterday, but I had a belief that price will not get to this point of interest by yesterday, based on it is running late already. And as you can see, time was about around these times. It was about 1 o'clock till 7 o'clock, 8 p.m. at night using Nigerian time, right? So now I still have that point of interest valid because price has given me a valid pullback, but it has not broken below my structural low, making it evident that this point of interest is still valid. So if I want to sell EURUSD, I can only wait for a confirmation. I already marked out my Asian eye, so I want London to sweep this eye, tap into my zone, then give me a confirmation. So if I get a confirmation, I'll be looking to sell EURUSD from that eye to this low. That is that for EURUSD. Moving on to the next page, GBPUSD. So GBPUSD is currently bearish also, and it gave this pullback, but it did not meet my pullback rule. That is why this BOS is not valid to me. So a lot of people, they would mark a BOS right here, but to me it is not valid. Why? Because it did not meet, this pullback did not meet my pullback criteria. So I have a criteria and a rule to everything I trade. So for now, I have not gotten another BOS to the downside, so these zones still remain valid for me until if price breaks below this structural low after giving this. So this pullback is very much valid than this pullback is. So it's not about how big or how huge the pullback is, it's about how valid it is based on your rules. So you need to have a system to how you trade. So if I want to sell this pair, I'll be only waiting for a confirmation in this zone. But if this low gets broken below, then this point of interest becomes invalid, then I'll be looking to sell from another point of interest. But for now, this is my analysis on GBPUSD. Moving on to the next pair is GJ has been consolidating for weeks, almost a month now. So I'm not looking at that pair for now, but I have a point of interest on it. But for right now, it is not very valid. Moving on to the next pair is USDCAD. So USDCAD is still solidly bullish after taking the structural high. So this is my point. I've marked this point of interest for about 2 days now, and price has not gotten to it. This is my structural high, this is my point of interest. So until price taps into this point of interest without breaking above this high, before I can wait for a confirmation in this zone. But if the price broke above this high without tapping this zone becomes invalid, and I look for another point of interest. That is that for USDCAD. Moving on to the next page, USDCHF. USDCHF is still solidly bullish. So I got a pullback here, a BOS, then a change of character. Then I marked out this zone. Then this is my Asian low. So I need price not taking out this structural high because it almost took it out yesterday, but they keep rejecting that. They kept rejecting price above this high. So I need price sweeping the Asian low, tapping into this zone without breaking into this my structural low, then giving me a confirmation before I can look to buy this pair. So if I'm looking to buy this pair, I'm waiting for a confirmation at this zone. Aggressive traders. So this will be it. For confirmation traders, if you are looking for exact entries, kindly like, follow, and comment. Enter into the comment section and type "I need help in how I enter trades based on confirmation entry." So I'll add you up into a Telegram group, a VIP Telegram group. I have a VIP group and I have a free group. So it depends on quality setups you want. You choose either of which you want. So that is that for this pair. Moving on to the next pair is GBPCAD. I started looking at that pair of recent since GJ has been quite messy. So GBPCAD flipped bearish after giving us a perfect reaction from this point of interest that we marked, then later on invalidated it. So I had this point of interest marked after I went down to the 1 hour time frame for a for so this is where I'll be looking to sell this pair from if price does not break below to the giving us another structural low. But for now, this is our analysis on this pair. So that is that for this pair. Moving on to the next pair is, let's check out gold. So gold later on took me out. Now it is close to the TP. That's how crazy price has been lately. We got a confirmation. You can see the perfect buys. So it's going to TP already. After we were formerly on a 1:12, then another we scaled in on a 1:5. You can see. So you can see formerly 1:12. Then we scaled in again on a 1:5. And we scaled in on a 1:5, as you can see. But all of a sudden, price was retesting. Then over the night, because I held this trade overnight, then we got weaked out. Then price has been messy a lot lately. So you just want to, most of the time, you just want to take your profit and leave the markets as of this current period. Price has been really messy. So moving on to the next pair. For crypto traders, crypto is looking very clean. So this is where I'm looking towards to sell from. I'm looking to sell ETHUSD. I'm looking to sell ETHUSD from this zone to this structural low. So this for ETHUSD. For BTCUSD, they are looking very much alike. So with ETH and BTCUSD, I'm looking to sell right from this zone to this structural low. Then so that is that for these pairs. See you a lot in the next video.